This question is asking us for us to verify whether PQR is an isosceles triangle. First of all, let's give these lines. Okay, so if this base and this base are the same, if this is x and this is x at the end of the day, meaning if they have the same values, it shows that this triangle is an isosceles triangle. Okay, so that is what the question is saying. So let's determine this angle. Let's determine this angle and let's determine this angle. Okay, so now if this is x here, let's put y this, and this let's put z. Okay, so for x, we say x plus 100 equals to 180 degrees adjacent angles. Okay, so now what you do, you minus 100 here, minus 100 here. This and this goes, so your x becomes 80 degrees. Okay, now once you get x, we want to determine y. Okay, how do we get y? We know this line and this line, these two lines are parallel. So if they are parallel, if we have a z shape like this, you see this angle is the same as this. Okay, they are alternate angles. So x is equals to y equals to 80 degrees. You see, alternate angles. Okay, alternate angles are congruent. They have equal measures. So once we get this one as 80, now we have 80, we have 80. 80 plus 80 plus z equals to 180 degrees again. This again adjacent angles, or angles on a straight line. So what do you notice? You get your z. This and this gives you 160. So if you subtract that by 180, because you're going to have 180 here, minus 160. So my z is just 20 degrees. Okay. Now, if this is 20, then this is 80. Remember, the sum of angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. So if this and this is already 100, then this is definitely 80. But you have to show that. Okay. So remember, this one, let's say this is t. So if that is t, you can say t plus the z, then plus x is 180 degrees. You have to show. So t plus z, remember, is 20. Then plus x, which is 80, equals 180 degrees, right? So your t is equals to 180 minus 100. And that gives you 80 degrees. So since this base is the same as this, it shows that triangle PQR is an isosceles triangle. Easy. Follow for more, share this, and don't forget to subscribe or like this video. Bye bye.